Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add dotted underline in goal sheets. So let's start it. At first, open your goal sheet document. In this video, I will show that add dotted underline. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for a drawing option. Now select from the line option. Now draw a line. Now going to the line dash option. Now click for a dotted. Then click for a line with it option. Then click for a 4px. Now click for a 7 colors option. That is. This dotted underline now move from the underline from text. That is. Now another text from the underline. Now going to the again insert menu option. Now click for a drawing option. Then click for a line option. Now draw a line. Now click for a line dash option. Now click for a draw a underline. Now click for widget and click for a 4px. Now click for a 7 color option. Now move from the underline. Then another text. That is. Then I show a dotted underline in goal sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for